You're watching the News Hour New York edition with Arnab Goswami.
Well, last evening, an edgy Pakistan took the diplomatic offensive to a level never seen before. The war is now being fought at two levels. At the very top, Nawaz Sharif is trying his very best to put Kashmir on the UN agenda. Islamabad's track 2 was making sure that India is provoked just about enough ahead of Narendra Modi's red carpet welcome in New York. Tonight, to be honest, Pakistan seems clueless and desperate as Obama gets ready to warm up to India.
और नई सरकार ने नया संकेत दिया है और इसीलिए बात उन्होंने बिगाड़ी, खेल उन्होंने बिगाड़ा.
A befitting reply and yet another clear message for Pakistan's deceit.
किसी भी टॉक्स के पहले एम्बेसडर ने बुलाकर बात की हो, ये नहीं हुआ और नई सरकार ने नया संकेत दिया है और इसीलिए बात उन्होंने बिगाड़ी, खेल उन्होंने बिगाड़ा. जहां तक सरताज अजीज साहब का सवाल है, मेरी उनसे अभी कोई वार्ता नहीं हुई.
On the sidelines of the ongoing United Nations General Assembly session, Sushma Swaraj giving a firm response to Pakistan's Foreign Affairs advisor's comment, blaming India for calling off talks.
हाँ, लेकिन वो तो ओवर रिएक्शन था हमारे ख्याल में, क्योंकि ये कोई नई बात तो नहीं थी. इन हुर्रियत के लीडरों से मुलाकात पिछले 20 साल से हो रही है.
It's not an overreaction, and there's no question of India seeking a first request for talks with Pakistan. The ball is in Pakistan's court, she clearly pointed out, and said that if the move had to be made, then it was they who had to show their side of the entire arrangement between the two countries. As of now, India extremely tough on its position with Pakistan, saying no talks till Pakistan mends its ways, and that was her befitting reply to the statement made by Sartaj Aziz.
With India's message loud and clear, what was being perceived as a new beginning following the Modi-Sharif handshake now appears nothing but a lost memory.
फॉरेन सेक्रेटरी ने टेलीफोन किया पाकिस्तान के फॉरेन सेक्रेटरी को, उनसे तारीख तय की, उनसे वेन्यू तय किया. वेन्यू भी इस्लामाबाद तय हुआ, लेकिन 25 तारीख को टॉक्स होने वाली हैं और आप 4 दिन पहले हुर्रियत के नेताओं से बुला के बात करते हैं, तो खेल किसने बिगाड़ा?
But despite the tough talk, Islamabad is not putting an end to its tactics and is deliberately trying to put India in a tight spot in New York.
It is very clear Pakistan is extremely upset about the fact that India is getting the red carpet. It is a Modi-Obama meeting that is going to happen in Washington DC in 3 days from now. But it's no such reception for Nawaz Sharif. And what does then Pakistan do to attract attention and to try and put India into a corner? It raises the Kashmir issue.
It took repeated provocations, both along the LOC and at the diplomatic level, for India to call off talks. And now, once again, by pointing fingers at India before Sharif Modi come face to face at the UNGA, Pakistan has only escalated the fight. Bureau Report, Times Now.